Hey guys, so today's video is going to explain how I attach balloon garlands to fabric backdrop covers. The first possible method is using these backdrop clips that you can get off of Amazon, and you're also going to need a 260Q. You're going to tie the ends of that 260Q together so that you can loop it around your balloons. And then you're going to wrap that 260Q around your clip a couple of times for security. If you're interested in these clips, there is an Amazon affiliate link in my bio, so feel free to shop and support. Now the rest is pretty straightforward. You're going to clamp your clip onto your backdrop frame and then loop the 260Q around your balloons. Now here's an alternative to the clips. You can also use a safety pin. What I like to do is take half of a 260Q and then I'm going to tie that to the safety pin. In the meantime, if this video has helped you at all, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I'm going to be doing more in-depth tutorials on there very soon, so that is also linked in my bio. Now let's continue. So now that your 260Q is tied to your safety pin, you're simply going to pin it into the fabric of your cover, close it up, and then it's going to look something like this. And now you're going to take your cluster and wrap your 260Q around the balloons, making a figure 8 motion, and you're going to do this a couple of times to make sure that the balloons are nice and secured, and this way you won't even have to tie a knot into the 260Q. So I hope that helps.